Is the font of the contact or charging info shown on the lock screen too small for you? To make it bigger, you need the GoodLock and the LockStar module. Yes, you can download GoodLock from the Galaxy Store if you're in a region that supports this app, and then from the GoodLock app, you can download the LockStar module. In the LockStar, you can turn on the lock screen section and tap on the thumbnail to open the lock screen edit mode. Tap on the widget that says the various helpful messages will be shown, and then the lowest left corner button. Here, you can see the scale slider. Using the slider, you can adjust the size of the contact info to make it bigger or smaller. Let me set it to the max, save the settings, and do some verifications. Well, it's bigger now. I hope it's big enough for you too. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.